Hello all of you. Welcome to the YouTube channel. So in the series of learning Oracle database PLSQL course. So in today's class we will learn about case statement, or we can say the conditional statements used in the PLSQL Oracle PLSQL. So what is this conditional statement? So the case expression goes through the conditions and returns the value when the first condition is true, or we can say when first condition is met. So like an if then else statement. Then so once the condition is true, it will stop reading and return the result. So if no conditions are true, it results the value in the else or then clause. So I will explain you all these parts during the performance of the practical. So if there is no else or then part and no conditions are true, it will return null value. So let us try to implement. So what is the basic syntax for the case statement? So we have case. We have to write the case keyword, and when keyword again, column name is equal to value, expected value, or we can say when the column name is equal to the particular value, then the expected value. If the value is this, we have to write the expected value which you want to specify. Likewise, we can go for the multiple columns. If none of the condition is satisfied, it will print else case. It will move to the else part, that is expected value you have to write here, and end statement over here, and semicolon. So if we will be working on the emp1 table, so I will show you the data of emp1 table. So this is the data of emp1 table. Emp number, ename, job, mgr, hire date, sal. Likewise the data is present. Now let us create another table. So using this table we will create another table. So create a table. We are giving the name as case. As we are learning about case, I am giving the name of table as case, as select star from emp1. So by firing this query, the copy table will be created of name case. So alter table, we had altered the table data, or we had added the new column, that is gender column. So alter table, table name, that is case. Add, I want to add gender column after this email, so gender will be added, whose data type will be varchar2. So if I run the query of case table, so let's see the data from the case table. So you run the query, you will see the output that gender will be created. So this data, male, female, and null values are added further. So how they are added? Let's see one by one. So update case table name and set gender is equal to m. So set gender it will be is equal to male, where department is equal to 10. So wherever the department is equal to 10, so let me see where is the department. So here is the department. So wherever the department number is 10, it will write the value at gender as m. So next again update this table, update case, set gender as f, where department is equal to 20. So wherever the department is 20, it will write a f value, right? So this is the updation done in the table of case. So if I view the data again, this data will be same data will be fetched when after doing the updation. So we have to write, after this we have to write the commit statement, so the data will be saved permanently. Now let's see what is the requirement of our. The requirement is in the gender column, what we need to do, we have to write wherever the M is there, we have to write male, and wherever the F is there, we have to write the female. So this is the case. So let's try to implement the case statement, or case, or we can say conditional statements. So let's see. So select what I want to select. I want to select all the data. So that's why I'm using alias name a dot star. So case, again as we discussed in the syntax, case we have to specify the keyword. When gender is equal to m, then write male. Likewise, when gender is equal to f, then you have to write female. So this female is written in single inverted commas. Also the value of gender is written in single inverted comma. Else, if at all there is no any m or f, so in this column, if there is no any m or f, where if the value is other than m or f, that is null, then you have to write there na. By default it will write there na, and end the case. So end keyword is written from, it is from case table. So again a is the alias name. So I repeat the query. See what is the query about this case. So select a dot star. I want to fetch all the records from the case table. So a dot star. Then case. What is our case? When the gender column is equal to m. So this gender column, when the gender column is m, when the value is m, then you have to write male. So this is the syntax. Then male in single inverted commas. When gender is equal to f, when the gender column is having f value, then you have to write female in single inverted commas. Else na, that is whenever the n, m or f is not available or other values are present here or null values are present here, you have to write na. So this is the condition we are giving. Then end and last from case a. So if I run this query, let's see what will be the output. So if I run this, I will see the output as wherever the m is there, male will be replaced. Wherever m is there, male will be replaced. Likewise, if null value is present, na will be the output. Likewise, wherever the F is present, female will be there. Wherever the F is there, female will be there. So this is how the conditional statements works. So I hope this part is pretty much clear. So that's all for this video. So we'll meet in the next video and I will provide this code in the description box in detail. So thank you all. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So thank you all and we will meet in the next video. Have a wonderful day.